Complement your Ram 2500's aggressive good looks with Rough Country's 5-inch suspension lift kit. Ram trucks come with a wealth of impressive features right from the factory, and Rough Country's 5-inch kit was engineered to retain these impressive factory specs while bumping up performance and durability where it's needed most. The result is a lifted beast with a mean profile and lush ride quality that'll make other Ram owners envious. This kit is designed for Ram trucks equipped with either factory rear coils or factory rear air ride suspension. On air ride models, this kit uses a rear airbag spacer that works with the factory airbag to provide rear lift, as well as a rear sensor arm relocation bracket that can modify how the sensor link speaks to the computer to determine ride height, allowing you to adjust the amount of rear height up to 1 inch higher than the front by way of multiple mounting points spaced out by a 1/4 inch. Pick the mounting point you want for the rear ride height you prefer. When changing a vehicle's suspension, the key to preserving ride quality is in keeping the geometry of all the suspension components as close to their factory angles as possible. Rough Country's 5-inch suspension lift kit features a set of radius arm drop brackets, allowing you to retain the beefy factory arms while keeping everything at optimum angles. In a further effort to preserve the truck's factory ride, this kit retains the factory progressive rate coil spring, designed by Ram trucks specifically for the weight and ride quality of your truck. This kit also features a set of premium Rough Country shocks for a fantastic blend of smooth highway ride and awesome off-road performance. Visit roughcountry.com or an authorized Rough Country dealer to learn more.